cat. Welcome to Meadowbrook, a village so cozy it feels like it's tucked into a warm blanket. Here, nestled amongst cobblestone paths and blooming gardens, lived a very special resident. This wasn't the mayor or the baker with his famous sourdough, but a sleek black cat named Whiskers. Now, Whiskers wasn't just any cat. He had brilliant emerald green eyes that seemed to hold all the secrets of the village. One sunny afternoon, as Whiskers was enjoying a sunbeam on a garden wall, a peculiar sound echoed through the quiet air. A-A-ACHOO, it was Old Bessie, Mrs. Gable's ancient sky-blue car. A puff of smoke sputtered from her tailpipe. Whiskers tilted his head, his emerald eyes wide with curiosity. A car that sneezed. Now, this was something worth investigating. He flicked his tail, leaped gracefully from the wall, and set off on a new adventure. If you love cozy stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tales from Meadowbrook.